The Madras High Court on Monday extended the interim anticipatory bail granted to stand-up comedian Kunal Kamra until April 17. This comes in connection with an FIR filed against him in Mumbai over allegedly controversial remarks targeting Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Kamra's legal troubles have been mounting. On Monday, his advocate informed the court that three additional FIRs have now been registered against the comedian in Maharashtra. According to reports by Live Law, the advocate also alleged hostile behavior from authorities, not just toward Kamra himself, but also toward his elderly parents, who were reportedly harassed during the ongoing investigation. The Madras High Court had initially granted Kamra interim protection from arrest on March 28, a relief that was originally set to expire on April 7. Monday's extension now gives Kamra a few more days of legal breathing room. Meanwhile, the comedian has also moved the Bombay High Court, seeking to quash one of the FIRs filed against him. That petition is expected to be heard by a division bench headed by Justice Sarang Kotwal on Tuesday, April 8. The controversy stems from a parody song Kamra performed during a live show in Mumbai. The song allegedly contained veiled references to Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, mocking his political role in the Shiv Sena split. In the performance, Kamra reportedly referred to Shinde as a Gaddar or traitor, using satire to comment on recent political developments in Maharashtra. Following the online release of a video featuring the song, Shiv Sena workers allegedly vandalized the recording studio. The FIR at the heart of this case was filed on March 24th based on a complaint by Shiv Sena legislator Moraji Patel. Despite receiving 3 police summons, Kamra has not yet appeared for questioning. In his plea to the Bombay High Court, Kamra has argued that the FIR violates his constitutional rights, including his freedom of speech and expression, his right to pursue his profession, and his right to life and personal liberty. In response to the ongoing court proceedings, Shiv Sena MP Naresh Mahaske said, and I quote, "Whatever judgment the Madras High Court delivers, Shiv Sena will respect it." End quote.
कुणाल कामरा जी को जो है वो आदमी, वो जो विदूषक है, भाड़े का तट्टू है, उसको कोर्ट क्या सजा देंगी वो देंगी, लेकिन उसका सत्कार वो कैसा करने का, उसको फूल देने का और क्या काले पत्थर देने का, क्या देने का, काला कलर देने का, वो डिसीजन हमारे शिवसैनिक लेंगे। कोर्ट क्या करेगा वो हमें मालूम नहीं, लेकिन उसको प्रसाद, उसका सत्कार हमारे शिवसैनिक जरूर करेंगे।